Types of variables. In empirical research, we distinguish two main types of variables, that is, dependent variable and independent variable. Dependent variable. The dependent variable is the variable the researcher is trying to explain. It is the primary variable of interest and depends on other variables. In quantitative studies, the dependent variable has the notation y. Independent variables are hypothesized to explain variations in dependent variable because they are thought to explain variations or changes in the dependent variable. Independent variables are sometimes also called as explanatory variables. In quantitative studies, the independent variables has the notation x. Independent variable is what is manipulated. Take the example here. The size of apple is determined based on two independent variables. One is the amount of water, another one is amount of fertilizers. What is the impact if we are using little water or much water? What is the impact if we are using little water, little fertilizers and much fertilizers? The effect or result can be seen in the dependent variable, that is the size of fruits. A hypothesis is a tentative, provisional or unconfirmed statement derived from theory that can be either verified or falsified. It explicitly states the expected relationship between an independent and dependent variable. Hypothesis must be empirically testable statement that can cover any level of analysis. The quantitative research process. It is a deductive one. It is theory driven also. It starts and ends with theory. Before the start of any research, students of social science must know the relevant literatures. They must know dominant theories and explanations of the phenomena they want to study and identify the gaps in knowledge. The existing theory will then guide them to formulate some hypothesis that will ideally try to resolve some of the gaps in knowledge. Quantitative research might also test existing theories with new quantitative data, establish the boundaries or limitations of a theory, or establish the conditions under which a theory. Ideally, the research question should address a relevant and important topic that make a potential theoretical contribution to the literature. It should potentially add, alter, or change the existing theory. The hypothesis should clearly identify the independent and dependent variable. It should be a credible statement of how the researcher thinks that the independent variable behaves towards the dependent variable. In addition, the researcher must also identify potential control variables. In the next step, the researcher has to think about how to measure independent, dependent, and control variables. When operationalizing the variables, it must ensure that there is high content validity between the numerical representation and the concept of a given concept. After having decided how to measure the variables, the researcher has to think about sampling. Measurement and sampling are often done concurrently. Once the researcher has data, he can then conduct the appropriate statistical tests to evaluate research questions and hypotheses. The result of her or his study will then ideally have an influence on theory.